Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Indigo credit card. Now, somebody was able to get approved for $1,500 and they don't have an annual fee at all. When I talked to you guys previously about the Indigo credit card, I told you guys to watch out for them because they can charge you very high annual fees because I personally saw people actually get these high annual fees. And I help people actually transition from the Indigo credit card to other credit cards just because they had these fees. So I always tell you all to watch out for them. But $1,500 approval, no annual fee. The APR is 29.9%. That's actually good. They said they pay the bill every month, the entire bill every month. So they don't have to worry about those annual fees. So I really, really love that. I think that this is a good card for them. If they love it, that's good. No annual fee. You can't really fight about that. So let's go ahead and check out this full credit. Okay, so here is my website, Rickita.com. So when you guys are on my website, you can schedule a call here. If you guys have negative accounts, definitely get you some dispute letters. I have a free dispute letter here that you guys can get, plus a credit card list. And the list of credit cards are here. So I like to come to these lists of credit cards when people say, I want a credit card. I say, what kind of credit cards you want? We have the best ones to build credit for gas, rewards, cash back, travel, student, or bad credit. You pick which list you want. The list we're going to look at is the ones that can pre-qualify you with no hard inquiry. That's my favorite list personally, because all the rewards could be good, but are you really going to give me a credit card? Let me know before I get this hard inquiry, because I don't want to have to mess with these bureaus, you know? So I like to go to that pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. When you go to that list, you will be able to see that Indigo credit card on the list. It's over 45 different accounts on this list that can pre-qualify you with no hard inquiry. So definitely check it out. In the video, I talked about somebody getting approved for a $300 credit card. And I did say a warning about that annual fee because I'm very passionate about that. Definitely watch this video if you want to learn more. Maybe I missed a few things. But we are going to go to their full on website. Now let me leave this page. I was looking at their application before I started making a video. Now this is their website. Now they used to have where you can pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. I don't know, because it should say that right on here, like pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. What we could do is do like see if it's on here, just if we was to search it. They got the Fortiva, the Indigo MasterCard. So it said pre-qualifying. So let's hope that that's really. Mama. Yes. Okay, I'll be on a second. Can you close my door? Yeah. Thank you. So I hope that is actually like a pre-qualification. That would be really nice. So let's see. Let's go ahead and just look at the website, and then we'll look at the application. So the best thing I like about the Indigo credit card, that they will report to all three credit bureaus. It is an unsecured credit card too, that you don't have to put no security deposit down, which is really amazing. When you guys try to build your credit, or when you're working to build your credit, you might have to put down a security deposit, and you don't want to have to put down a security deposit on your credit cards a lot of times. But if your credit score don't vouch for it, you have to put that deposit down. But get the Indigo credit card. Try to see if you can pre-qualify for it. If they don't give you an annual fee, this will be better than actually putting a security deposit down. Some people, like I said, they have to get those secure credit cards. But if you guys get an offer in the mail, a lot of times these credit cards can actually send you a pre-qualification in the mail. If they send you a pre-qualification in the mail, go ahead and click on the Get My Offer, because you can go ahead and put your codes in. And let me actually click on it to tell you what they're going to ask for. Yeah, you can actually put your invitation number in there and your zip code, and then they'll be able to pull up your full-on invitation, basically the thing that you got in the mail. And then you can click on it, Get Started. Then you have to put in your additional personal information, like, your social security number, full date of birth, things like that. Now, if you don't have a code, you can click right here where it says find your code here. And if you haven't got one in the mail, maybe they have one out there for you. Put your last name, last 4 digits of your social in there, and then your date of birth, and they may be able to find an offer for you. And I'd say to do this because you might have one already out there, and it seems like your approval chances may be higher. So I do suggest that you guys do that. But let's go ahead and actually look at this full application. So for the application, just click on here where it says apply now. Again, I don't know. We only say pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. I'm not sure if this is going to be a pre-qualification or not, if they still do that. But you may want to actually reach out to them just to ask them. Ask them, hey, do you guys still do the pre-qualification, or it's going to be a hard inquiry? Or push turn to shove, if you guys don't know if it's going to be a hard inquiry, go ahead and freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus, because they're going to deny you and say they was unable to look at your credit. And if they say that, then oh, you was trying to pull my credit. You was trying to full on pull my credit. And that way you'll know, okay, I just avoided a hard inquiry. Now go ahead and put your name, your address, your email address in here, your phone number, your date of birth, your social security number, your total monthly income, your total monthly expenses. I do not know about this over the limit coverage. You guys, we should not be going over our credit cards, especially like this credit card. The only time I usually go over my credit cards, or I went over my credit cards in the past, should I say, is if I got like a 0% APR credit card. No, I want to say 0% APR credit card. But if I use my full on credit limit and then my statement comes out and they used to charge me interest. But if you guys are paying your bill in full, you guys should not be over the limit at all on your credit cards. And try not to be over the limit on these type of credit cards, because they're going to charge you so much for being over the limit. They also have this credit protection. I do not believe in the credit protection, because what if you have a different situation other than what's listed and you unable to pay? They're going to decline give you that protection. So I just tell people, just put money to the side. Keep money saved to the side so that you'll always have the money to pay off your credit card. So I would personally decline that. And they have 35.9% interest rate here. The other person said that they was able to get a 29.9%, I believe. That is really good. But then again, too, you guys, that could be based off his credit too. We don't know what his credit is, so it could be based off his credit. And he said that he don't even care about that, the 29.9%, because he pays his entire bill every month. And that's what I do too. Just pay my statement balance. I don't never worry about interest at all. But definitely that interest rate is high. But again, pay your statement balance by your due date. You'll never be charged any interest. Now, look at these fees. I need you guys to see like these fees here, because they try to hide them. So they have monthly fees and a maintenance fee. So the annual fee is $175 for the first year and $49 thereafter. That's a lot of money. And then also the monthly fee is $0 for the first year, and then they're gonna charge you after that $150 annually. So they really getting their money. They're getting more money the second year and so on from you all. So that's why I said, okay, if you're not going to have any type of fees, like he said he didn't have any fees, then go ahead and possibly get it. 0% APR. I mean, not 0%, no annual fees. That's good. But with these fees like this, like watch out for this. I just have to warn you all about that. Like watch out for fees like this. But continue to look over their fees, their disclosures. And if you guys have any questions, please give them a call. But they do want to make sure they are going to look up your social security number, make sure that it's real. You will have to click accept here on this part. If you accept the terms, decline, I will put decline for those two here. Fill out all this information and then go ahead and submit the application. Now, keep in mind too, you all, those fees are very, very high, which is what I warned a lot of people about with the Indigo credit card. But if they can do no annual fees, and then not even just that, not even just no annual fees, but that maintenance fee is out of this world. And that starts the second year, $12.50 a month. That starts the second year. And $12.50 a month, they send us $150 a year. That's a lot of money. When there's credit cards out there that you can put a $200 deposit down on it, like Navy Federal. Let me actually go to that one. In rewards, I would rather do it in rewards, just put $200 down on it, and then in 6 months it's going to turn into a $2,000 credit card. You're going to be able to get cash back and no annual fee, plus the interest rate on the in reward secure. This one I think is 18%. So if you were to somehow mess up and have to keep a balance on it, you're going to only have to pay that. You only have an 18% APR. So just keep that in mind. But again, congratulations on your approval. This is really amazing if you got no annual fee at all. If you guys have any questions in the future, definitely go ahead and schedule that call, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.